Hello friends, I'm Rashmi and I'm back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today's Sunday special is a simple rasam, or you could even call it as a soup. Okay, a ginger lemon soup. It's yummy, it's healthy to drink, it's full of protein, it increases your immunity, and that's not all. You could mix it with hot rice and have it. And since every day it's raining in the evening, I think this is going to be a nice soup, and moreover it's going to be healthy also. So come over, we'll see how this rasam or the soup is done now. Okay, so as I told you, for the lemon and ginger rasam, first just take a cup of boiled dal. I've already boiled the dal here. The other requirements, the other ingredients what you require is 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, and then green chilies, ginger, grated ginger, turmeric and salt. This is for the rasam which we are going to use. We will first have to boil the tomatoes. The chopped tomatoes we will first have to boil. So now if you see, I've just chopped the tomatoes and I'm just boiling it. Once the tomatoes are boiled, we'll go to the next step. Okay, and now you'll have to add some salt also for these tomatoes, so that when they're getting cooked, the salt flavor also gets added in these tomatoes. So now I've transferred the boiled tomatoes in a vessel. The dal which was cooked, I'm transferring that also into the boiled tomatoes. And now we will go ahead with the seasoning part. We'll also have to add the curry leaves and the coriander leaves. Don't forget to add the ginger, the grated ginger, because that is very important. You'll have to just fry it once, otherwise it will give the raw smell. So usually the raw smell will not be good. And now, as I told you, I use this MTR hing powder, so you can use that. But you should always put the asafoetida in the last. Only then you will get that extra aroma. So mix all this, and now we are adding it to the rasam. So now you will get the actual. And without fail, you will have to add a pinch of turmeric to it and salt as per your taste. So since this is a very nice rasam, you could even drink it like a soup. In the last, you will have to add lemon juice. Only then you will not get the bitter taste. Otherwise, you will get the bitter taste. So without fail, in the end itself, after the rasam is completely boiled, add lemon to it. So 3 things are very important in cooking. One is the taste, the color and the aroma. Once you get this yellow color, you will know that yes, your rasam is perfectly made. Okay, now that the rasam is boiled, we will add this lime juice to the rasam. Okay. You should never put lime juice into the rasam when it's boiling, otherwise it will turn bitter. So always after you boil it and switch it off, only then you should add the lime juice. And remember, this rasam will not be very spicy. It's not going to be like the normal rasam or sambar with a lot of spice. This gives you only the ginger and the lemon flavor. So for this, a spicy curry will be the best combination. So you can prepare any curry which wherein you can add a lot of masala and make it more spicy, and that will be the great combo. So our rasam is ready and it looks so yummy. The aroma itself is so nice that I'm just feeling like having a cup of rasam now. So I'm going to have, you guys also please try this. Okay. You can add 2 cups of water depending on the consistency. So in case you want it a little more watery, you could add 3 cups. Otherwise, this is the perfect consistency for, you could even mix it with rice and have this. So we are doing an immunity rasam or a soup, ginger, lemon rasam. This is actually known as a ginger lemon rasam, but it's very delicious and yummy to drink it. So once the lemon is added, it will be of great taste. Okay, so all of you saw the rasam recipe, right? Rasam or the soup recipe, right? So I'm sure all of you would have loved it. It's very nice, it's simple, and as I mentioned in my recipe, 3 important things while cooking is the taste, the color, and that aroma. With that aroma itself, you'll be able to know whether the rasam or whatever you're preparing has come out well or not. So don't forget to try this recipe. Share it with your friends. Ask them to try it out too. Do subscribe to my channel, like my video, and do share it to your friends so that they could try out these good recipes and could stay healthy. Okay, so I am going to play my next video today itself on how kids could be occupied in a very nice and an artistic way. See you all. Bye.
Bye.